In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Amazon Jobs. Step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Amazon Jobs website. When the home page loads, give it a second to finish rendering so the navigation appears correctly. We'll be working from the main navigation you see at the top of the page. Move your attention to the top right corner of the site. That area holds your account options and site preferences. You should see a menu labeled My Career. If your window is narrow or you're on a phone, this menu may be tucked behind a menu icon. Expand it so you can see the same options. Click My Career to open the account menu, then choose My Profile. This takes you to your profile details page, where Amazon Jobs stores personal settings for your candidate account. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your settings. On the profile page, look for the language setting. It may display something like Language, NUS to indicate the current language and locale. That label is actually clickable. Select it to open the list of available languages. From the list, choose the language you prefer for browsing and managing your job applications. As soon as you click your selection, the site updates instantly. You may notice the page refresh or the interface text switching right away. Navigation labels, buttons, and most content will appear in the language you chose, while some job descriptions may remain in their original language if a translation isn't provided by the employer. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try a quick page refresh. Also note that this preference is tied to your account, so it should follow you across devices once you're signed in. If you switch browsers or use a different computer, just sign in and your language setting will be there. On mobile, the same steps apply. Open the menu, go to My Career, tap My Profile, and change the language field. Changing the language doesn't alter your job alerts, location choices, or application data. It only affects how text and menus are displayed. If you use accessibility tools like screen readers, setting the correct language will also improve pronunciation and navigation hints. That's all there is to it. You went to the Amazon Jobs homepage, opened My Career, visited My Profile, clicked the language field, and selected your preferred language, which applied right away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Amazon Jobs more comfortably in the language you use every day.